Welcome to Crash Cases, where a split second rewrites everything. These aren't stunts. They're real moments caught on the edge of control. Every frame a lesson written in metal and motion. Watch closely, think fast, respect the road. Because one blink can change it all. A speeding truck nearly hit the rescue team, forcing them to flee. Thankfully, everyone survived. Stay alert, 1 second of carelessness can cost lives. Dashcam footage captured a truck's tire bursting on the highway. Luckily, no one was hurt. Regular maintenance saves lives. Check your tires often.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's gonna hit it. Oh my god.
Small truck failed to notice stopped vehicles ahead and collided. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Stay focused, distraction can turn seconds into danger. Passerby recorded Tesla Model X driving with rear passenger door wide open, hitting a red bus. No injuries, but heavy damage. Always secure doors before driving. Cars kept crashing inside the tunnel, likely due to driver inattention or unfamiliar roads. Stay alert. Warning signs exist to protect your life. Snowplow blasted thick ice and snow toward oncoming cars, creating a snow vortex that caused a chain collision. Respect winter roads, slow down, and keep control. Fuel tanker veered off, hit the divider, and caught fire. Driver escaped with minor injuries. Luck helped today, next time caution will.
Totally blew her off. We had dinner and all was going well.
New footage shows a tense police chase in Miami-Dade, ending with a flipped truck. The stolen GMC sped through traffic, crashing into several cars. Speed isn't worth your life, slow down.
Signal 4 versus a truck, and we got a Let me see your for it. Oh putain de merde. Oh là 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 là.
BMW driver sped into parked cars after a dispute between two local families. Anger behind the wheel is deadly. Stay calm. Never mix emotion with driving. During a police chase, a truck crashed into two parked Mustangs in front of a house. Chaos unfolds fast. Slow down and respect police signals. Severe collision between two buses sent several people to the hospital. Stay alert. Fatigue and haste on the road can cost far more than time. Dashcam footage captured a truck overturning on the highway. Accidents happen in seconds. Stay alert and keep your speed under control. Distraction, reaction, and survival. The road forgives no one who forgets its rules. Learn from what you've seen. Drive sharp, stay calm, keep your distance. Because safety isn't luck, it's choice. If this made you think twice, like, share and subscribe. Crash Cases continues awareness in motion.